Well friends, here is the problem number 72 and this is the given figure and we have to find the mirror image. And the mirror is placed beside the given image. Okay, the mirror is placed like this and we have to find the mirror image of this given shape. Okay, this contains some numbers. This contains numbers like 6, 9 and 3. As I said, whenever the mirror is placed beside the figure or beside the word, the starting portion becomes the ending portion and the ending portion becomes the starting portion in the mirror image. Keeping this point or taking this point, you can eliminate some of the options. Now coming to first option. In the first option, the starting point or the starting portion is ending portion in the given option or in the mirror image. And this ending portion is starting portion in the mirror image. So this may be my right option. I will move to next option. In the next option, if you see the 3, which is the starting portion, the mirror image of 3 is present at the same place. Okay, this is the wrong. The starting portion should become ending portion, but it is not in the second option. It is not becoming the ending portion. That's why this is the wrong option. Now moving to third option. In the third option, the starting portion remains the starting portion. Okay, this is also a wrong option. And this number 3, 6, 9 are just appearing as in the given image. They should appear in the mirror image. Okay, this is also one of the point which can be used to eliminate third option. Now moving to last option. In the last option, the starting portion, I'm having 3. This is also the mirror image of 3. But the starting portion should become the ending portion. And this option is also a wrong option. Now we left with only one option, which is the first option. That it will be right option. This will be the right option. Okay friends, this is how we solve this example. What we considered, the starting portion becomes ending portion and the ending portion becomes the starting portion in the mirror image. And the very important point is the mirror should be placed beside the given image or word. When the mirror is placed at the bottom, then bottom becomes top and top becomes bottom. Okay, in the mirror image. When this mirror is placed at the bottom. So these are the two important points which are to be considered and can be used to eliminate the given options and finally get the correct options. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.